Shooting in bad weather often seems daunting, but it's in these moments that some of the most striking and memorable images are created. Overcast skies, steady rain, or thick fog can transform an ordinary scene into something truly extraordinary, painting the world with a palette of mood and drama that's impossible to replicate on a sunny day. While many photographers instinctively put their cameras away when the weather turns sour, those who embrace the elements often come away with unique shots that stand out from the rest. An overcast sky is nature's own softbox, diffusing sunlight and eliminating harsh shadows. This gentle, even light is ideal for capturing portraits, landscapes, and urban scenes with a subtle, moody atmosphere. Colors become richer and more saturated, while textures are revealed in greater detail. The sky itself, often a featureless expanse of gray, can serve as a minimalist backdrop that draws attention to the subject, whether it's a person standing alone on a deserted street or a tree silhouetted against the clouds. Overcast conditions invite you to look for emotion and nuance, focusing on the story within the frame rather than dramatic lighting. Rain, meanwhile, brings its own brand of magic. Raindrops clinging to windows, puddles reflecting city lights, and people huddled under umbrellas create visual interest and narrative tension. The world slows down in the rain, and moments that might otherwise go unnoticed become opportunities for creativity. Try shooting from inside your car or beneath a covered walkway, using the droplets on the glass as an artistic filter. Water can add depth and dimension to your images, whether it's the sheen on a wet street or the ripples from a single drop falling into a pond. Don't be afraid to get close and capture the details. Raindrops on a flower petal or the pattern of water streaming down a wall. Fog, too, is a gift for photographers willing to venture out when visibility is low. It blankets the landscape in mystery, obscuring the familiar and transforming everyday scenes into something dreamlike. Trees fade into the distance, buildings become ghostly silhouettes, and beams of light take on an ethereal glow. In foggy conditions, less is often more. A lone figure walking down a misty path can evoke a sense of solitude and wonder. Use the softness of the fog to simplify your compositions, isolating your subject and letting the atmosphere tell the story. Of course, shooting in bad weather means taking extra care to protect your gear. A simple plastic bag can be an effective rain cover in a pinch. Just cut a hole for your lens, secure it with a rubber band, and keep your camera as dry as possible. Lens hoods can help shield the front element from raindrops, while microfiber cloths are essential for wiping away moisture. Consider using weather-sealed equipment if you plan to make a habit of shooting in challenging conditions, but don't let a little rain stop you, even if you don't have the latest gear. Sometimes improvisation leads to the most interesting results. Above all, embrace the unpredictability of bad weather. Let it inspire you to see the world differently, to seek out moments and moods that others might miss. The dramatic skies, shimmering streets, and haunting mists are nature's invitation to be bold and creative. Next time the forecast looks gloomy, grab your camera, protect your gear, and head outside. You may just come home with your most powerful images yet.